You have activated the vending machine. Please state your selection clearly.
120.
No. Try something healthier.
136.
There isn't anything healthy in this machine. What are you most interested in?
That one.
Ah, that one. I'm gonna need 20 good jumping jacks.
Okay, right here?
Yes, right here, right now. Put down the bag, 20 good jumping jacks, and count them out loud.
Okay, 1, 2.
Can you jog in place for me? Put your hands up in the air. Wave them around as if you don't care. Spin around 3 times.
7, 8, 9.
A man with a nice green jacket and a clear green beverage should know about making good, healthy green choices. I'll drop the snack if you drop and give me 20. Let's go, on the floor. I'm watching you and I'm counting. Have you got 18, 20, 30 more in you?
11.
Keep going.
13.
I'm proud of you. 10 jumping jacks.
Nope.
Very well, 30 jumping jacks.
I don't even really want anything anymore.
Keep going. Smile. I didn't say stop.
16,
Don't worry, nobody's looking at you.
18, 19, 20.
Wow, all right. Can you touch your toes? Ah, good. You've earned it. Go ahead and take that serving of regret.
What do I have to do?
Jog in place for 20 seconds. No, wait. Come back. Please, let me help. I care about your health.